Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find apps and notifications. Let's tap on it. Then we have to find the see all 46 apps, of course 46 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see here, our device will inform us what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any of data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in this BLACKVIEW device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.